Sheboygan to Port Washington, Wisconsin.
You have 2 unread messages.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, until 12:15 p.m. At 11:39 a.m., severe thunderstorms will locate along the line extending from near Eagle Lake 2 near Paddock Lake to Fox Lake 2 near Johnsburg, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Sturdivant, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Wind Lake, Camp Lake, Rochester, Silver Lake, Wind Point, Waterford North, Eagle Lake, Browns Lake, Caledonia, Salem, Waterford, Bristol and Elmwood Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage.
You have 2 unread messages.
Radio KEC60 in Milwaukee. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan nearshore and open waters to mid-lake from North Point Lights, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 1:15 p.m. At 11:40 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots, located 8 nautical miles northwest of Pleasant Prairie, moving east at 30 knots. Locations impacted include Wind Point. As this thunderstorm moves over the water,